Hi guys, my name is Shaztech and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be explaining why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy Buds yet. Now don't get me wrong, I am a big Samsung fan. I love what they do, I love their products because I own the Galaxy Watch, I own the Galaxy S9 which I'm using to record this video with, and the Galaxy Buds. However, I don't have the Galaxy Buds with me right now. That's because they developed a fault just a couple of days ago. Now, as I was going to sleep, I took the buds out of my ear, and as I put them onto the case, the right side of the Galaxy Buds charging case sparked. Now, I didn't think anything of it at that time, so I just left it overnight, and when I woke up, I immediately called Samsung, and they told me that I should go and send it off for an inspection. Now, I don't have my Galaxy Buds right now because it is with Samsung being inspected. Now, I'm still waiting for a inspection report from them to let me know whether I should go ahead with a repair or there's nothing wrong with it and they'll send it back to me clear as day. Now, the reason why I'm saying people shouldn't buy the Galaxy Buds right now is because I still feel it's a rushed design, it's a rushed product, and that not a lot of thought has probably gone into it. Yes, it's convenient. I love the sound quality. I love how you can use it. But I just think everything's rushed. And now with my case sparking, that's not really what anyone wants. Now, I do think the sound quality is amazing. The convenience is great. I love it. I love using it with my watch, with my phone. It's amazing. But I tell people to hold out on it because I don't know how many models or how many products are affected by this, and just like the Galaxy Fold, they might develop a problem further down the line. Now, I'd suggest you wait about a month or two to see whether this is just my problem or a widespread problem with many of the Galaxy Buds. Now, make sure you like and you subscribe so that you can make sure you don't miss my video to see whether my Galaxy Buds did have a problem or it's completely fine. I'll post a further update video on that in a couple of days, so make sure you're subscribed to see that. With that being said, I'd suggest you don't buy the Galaxy Buds and you hold out for just a couple of weeks or months and you wait for my video to see whether they do have a problem or it's just me. So yes guys, please leave a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss my update video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.